following ratio. Over here 5:6 and 7:9. 5 upon 6 and 7 upon 9. This is your first step you have to write. 5 upon 6, 7 upon 9. Now we have to compare it. So for comparison, are the denominator same? No. So what you have to make the denominator same? So what I will do? I will multiply 9 over here and 6 by over here. So what I will do? 5 upon 6 multiply by 9. So when I am multiplying over here in the denominator, same number we also get multiply in my denominator. Now over here 5 into 9, 5 9 is 45, 6 9 is 54. Now 5 upon 6 has been done. Now moving on to our 7 upon 9. Now what should I multiply over here? 9. So I will multiply 6 over here. The same number will be multiplied in my numerator. So 7 6 is 42 and 9 6 is 54. Now see over here and over here. Are my denominator same? Yes. So what I will do? 45 upon 54. 42 upon 54. Now which one is the greater? Now see, your denominator is same. Now you can compare your numerator. So which one is greater? 45. 45 is greater, means 5 upon 6 is greater as compared to 7 upon 9. Okay, understood over here how to do it? Okay, this step you can write over here also. Okay, now moving on to our question number B. 3 upon 4, 5 upon 7. So first step is 3 upon 4, 5 upon 7. Okay. Now are my denominator same? No. So what I will do? Compare my make my denominator same. So what I will do? 3 upon 4 multiplied by over here 7, over here also 7. So 7 3 is 21, 4 7 is 28. Okay. Now again over here also. So 5 upon 7 multiplied by 7 is there over here. So what number is not there? It is my 4. So 4 I will multiply in my denominator as well as in my numerator. So over here 5 4 is 20, 7 4 is 28. See, this was my 21 upon 28, this is 20 upon 28. But in during our exam we write first this and then write this. So it will be making your sum wrong. First write this number, then write second number. Okay. So 21 upon 28, 20 upon 28. Because 3 upon 4 was your first number and 5 upon 7 was your second number. Okay. Some of the students are writing 20 upon 28 over here and 21 upon 28. So it will make your answer different. Okay. Now which one is the greater one? That is your 21. So what is your 21 means what? 21 upon 28 means what? 3 upon 4. So 3 upon 4 is greater than 5 upon 7. Okay. Understood over here? Now moving on to our question number C. 3 upon 5, 2 upon 3. 3 upon 5, 2 upon 3. Okay. Now are my denominator same? No. So what I will do? Make my denominator same. So 3 upon 5 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. So 3 3 is 9, 5 3 is 15. Okay. Now over here again 2 upon 3. Now what should I multiply? Multiply it by 5. Over here also multiplied by 5. Now 5 2 is 10. And over here 3 5 is 15. Now 9 upon 15 and 10 upon 15. So first I will write as 9 upon 15. Second is my 10 upon 15. Okay. Now which number is my greater number in the numerator? That is my 10, because my denominators are same. My 10 is my greater. So what is my 9 upon 50? 3 upon 5. and over here it is my 2 upon 3. So over here greater sign. Okay, understood over here? Now we will continue our question number 3. Okay, now starting with our question number 3. Kamal and Vikram are the directors of the company. They have to share 1,40,000 profit between them in the ratio of 3:4. Profit is over here 1,40,000 and they have to share in ratio of 3:4. So how much will each receive? Over here, what is the profit over here? Profit is over here is 1,40,000. And what is the ratio over here? The ratio is over here is 3:4. Okay, 3:4. Now, how much will each receive? So, how many of the person are there? Kamal and Vikram. Now, what will we do? We add the 2 over here. So, what I will do? 3x plus 4x, which will be giving me as 1,40,000. How? See, the profit which the both are having are to be distributed in the ratio of 3:4. So how they will be dividing? So what we have to do? Add over here. So 3x plus 4x is equal to 1,40,000. Now 3x plus 4x, 7x is equal to 1,40,000. Okay. Now x is over here and 7 is being multiplied. See, nothing sign is there means what? Multiply sign is there. Now 7 is multiplied over here. When I am taking on to over here right hand side, it will get as divided because equal to sign is in between the two numbers. So x will be over here 1,40,000 divided by 7, which will be giving me as 7 1 the 7, 7 2 the 14, and how many zeros? 1 2 3 4. So over here 1 2 3 4 zeros. So what is the value of x? 20,000. Now they are getting a ratio of 3:4. So my 3x is equal to 3 multiplied by, what is my x? X is my 20,000. X is my 20,000. So over here 3 2 the 6, 60,000. Kamal will be getting, because his ratio is 3:4. So Vikram is the ratio of 4. So what I will do? 4x, 4x. So over here 4 into 20. So 4 2 is 8. 80,000 who will be getting? Vikram will be getting. Now see over here, the profit of which Kamal will be getting is 60,000 and the profit which Vikram is getting, that is 80,000. If we are adding 60 plus 80, 60,000 plus 80,000, 60,000 of Kamal and 80,000 of Vikram. If we are adding 60 plus 80, it is giving me as 1,40,000 profit which we were having over here. Okay, understood how to do it? See, the profit they were having, that is 1,40,000 and the profit were to be distributed in the ratio of 3:4. So how much the each Kamal will be getting and Vikram will be getting? Okay, so what we have done? 3x plus 4x is equal to 1,40,000. Now 3x plus 4x will be giving me as 7x and over here is 1,40,000. Now 7 is multiplied over here. When I am taking it over there, it will get divided. So 7 1 the 7, 7 2 the 14, and over here how many zeros? 4 zeros. Over here 20,000. So my x is over here 20,000. Now what I will do? Kamal's ratio was 3x. So 3 into 20, 60,000 over here. 4 into x, which was of Vikram, that is 4 into 20, 80. And now see, if you have made any mistake, so how to clarify it? 60 plus 80 should be equal to 140. Our profit was 140. Over here also it is 140. Okay, understood? Now moving on to our question number 4. The angles of the triangles are in the ratio of 2:3:4. Find the angles. Now Over here ratio is given, over here also ratio was given, but over here amount is given. The sum of the triangle, the sum of the angle of the triangle is not given over here, but the amplitude is not being given, it is being there in the question itself. Why? Because we are knowing that sum of the angles of the triangle is 180. Okay, sum of the angle of the triangle is 180. So how we will do? Over here, sum of the angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. We are knowing it. Okay. Now, what is ratio given? Ratio is equal to 2:3:4. Okay. Now, the total should be divided, the total three side angles, because the triangle is having three sides, so 3 ratio are being given. So what will the angles be? And that sum should be equal to 180. Okay. So what do we do? Over here is 2x 3x plus 4x, because the sum of the angles of the triangle is 180. So we are doing addition over here. Over here also same way, plus we have done over here, is equal to 180 degree. Okay. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4, 9x is equal to 180 degree. Now 9x means what? 9 into x. So 9 is multiplied over here. When I am taking over here, it will get as divided. So x will be equal to 180 upon 9, which will be giving me as 20 degree. Which will be giving me as 20 degree. Now we found the value of x, but we have not found the angle still now, because the angles are in ratio of 2:3:4. So what I will do? 2x. So what is my x? That is my 20. Means 2 into 20. That will be giving me as 40 degree. Over here 3x. So over here 3 into 20, 60 degree. Over here 4x. So over here 4 into 20, which will be giving me as 80 over here. Now if I am adding all the angles, 40 plus 60, 100, 100 plus 80, 180 degree. Understood? So the sum should be also equal to 180. See, and the ratio are divided into 2:3:4. Okay, understood over here? Now in our next lecture we are continuing our question number 5. Thank you, students.